Hello everyone, Darren Whitco here. Today I'd like to show you how to make a park pass reservation for the Walt Disney World Resort. There's a couple of steps involved, but it actually is pretty easy once you see how it works. The first thing you need to make sure of is that you are logged in on the disneyworld.com website. It does not work if you try to do it through the My Disney Experience mobile app on your phone. So once you log into your account, on the website, we're going to go to My Disney Experience. We go down to Park Pass System. Now, the first thing you really want to do here is scroll down to check availability for your dates, just to make sure that your dates look good. So we're going to hold off on actually making the theme park reservation just for right now. I'm going to scroll down and I want to find the link down here called View Theme Park Reservation Availability Online. Not quite sure why they hid it down here. It's a really important link. But when you click on it, it's going to bring up a calendar of availability for the parks. So the first thing is there are 3 categories to choose from. So you have Disney Resort guests. I'm an annual pass holder, so this is an option for me. It may not be an option for you if you're not. And then theme park guests. These are guests that are coming for the day or possibly staying off property. If you have a hotel reservation, definitely choose Disney Resort guests because that tends to have the most availability. Not always, but definitely if you're a hotel guest, that's where you want to start. I'm going to choose annual pass holder because I don't have a reservation and I need to, well, actually, it doesn't matter. I can go through resort guest. So if I can just scroll through here, different months, I can see different availability. Anything green means that all 4 parks are available. Anything yellow means that at least one of the parks is not available. Most of the time right now, it's Hollywood Studios is the culprit because people are going to see Star Wars and Toy Story. But you can scroll through and then see, once we get to January of 2021 and we go beyond that, you'll see that availability really begins to open up. So the further out you are, the better chances you have for availability. So once you get your reservation set, you really want to make your park pass reservations right away. So if I click on this just to show you, I just clicked on February 12th. Down here it shows that all 4 parks are opened. And then to show you one where a park might be closed, let's go to, we'll just pick December 8th, for example. And then, yeah, sure enough, Disney's Hollywood Studios is the reason that we're yellow. But Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Animal Kingdom are available. Okay, so once you've checked that you have availability, there is availability for your trip, and you're good to go there, you want to hit the back button, and we're going to go to make our park pass reservation. So now I'm just going to scroll back up, and I click on make a theme park reservation. And it's very similar to Fast Passes if you've made Fast Passes before. Here you're going to select the people in your party. I'm just going to pick me for the example. And I'm going to select my trip date. So let's just say I'm going in January 15th. So I'm going to click January 15th. And now the 4 parks appear. It will not tell you here if they're available or not. So that's why you need to check that availability calendar before you get here. So let's say you want to start your vacation by going to Epcot, my favorite park. When it comes up, it's going to say, okay, you can arrive at Epcot. Normally park hours probably aren't set yet for January, but they would probably normally be there. And here's me and my travel party. I click on this, and then I'm going to click on confirm. Now, once I click confirm, it's going to ask me if I want to make another park pass reservation or if I'm all done. So if I'm all done, I just click on view my plans and then it will come up. All right, so that's it. That's how you make a park pass reservation. I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.